Hello everyone, this is Team WearOtech. This is a proposed solution for the problem statement SIH25213 integrated wearable device for real-time health monitoring of vital parameter, gas exposure and fatigue under the theme of disaster management and Department of National Disaster Response Force. Coming to our problem statement, NDRF team often works in hazardous environment which can endanger their life. So for this, we have proposed a solution, a compact wearable device that continuously tracks vital signs and gas exposures and fatigue and sends real-time alerts. On the right side, you can see this is our overall prototype. So let's see in detail. Coming to our technical approach, we are using different types of sensor for real-time monitoring of the vital parameters and gas exposure. For wireless communication, here we're using LoRa module. And converting our prototype into full-fledged working product, that is for our future scope, we are designing a PCB to integrate all the sensor with the microcontroller in one single board. So this is our prototype, and here for gas exposure level in our prototype we have used two particular sensors. One is air quality sensor MQ135 and another one here on the left side is carbon monoxide sensor MQ7. This antenna is connected to an LoRa module which can transmit data up to the range of 10 to 15 kilometers. And this is an SpO₂ sensor for this is an MX30102 sensor for SpO₂ blood oxygen levels and heartbeat. And here backside you can see this is GPS, so we can get the location of the individual. And this whole helmet is connected to then our main controlling board, which can be connected and disconnected by these pins. In here, our STM32 nuclear board is there, and next a motion sensor, and this is whole strap can be easily weighed and removed, and this board section can also be plugged in and out. And here you can see it is also battery powered, and same time for vital parameter, vital physiological parameters, we have used ECG sensors, single lead ECG sensors, so we can monitor the vital parameters. This is the STM32 Cube ID serial monitor, and you can see that all this data which we are getting from sensor are being printed on the serial monitor. At the same time, it's also being transmitted to the LoRa. The transmitted data is being received at the receiving end side LoRa, which is connected to an ESP8266. So that ESP8266 is pushing the data into cloud, and you can see that here the values are simultaneously changing as it is being received through LoRa. So this is our app, Rescue Companion app, which is connected to Bluetooth and also gives the data of the individual such as their heart rate, SpO₂ levels, the vital parameters, and also the environmental monitoring such as how exposed to their gases like carbon monoxide levels, what is oxygen level, what are there any toxic gases or other things. So next section is the emergency alerts. Here there is active emergency mode. What are the current status? Where are they located? The location. What is the team status? How many members active? How many are standby? This is an emergency call section, so we can directly contact if there are an emergencies arrives. Also, there are the team status if someone is having an issue or not. And this section is for evacuation routes. And this is all the alerts that have been generated. So how many alerts have been generated, how many have been resolved, and total generated alerts or active alerts. So this is how the alerts have been shown on the app. So this is the overall team status. So each individual's parameters, vital parameters also shown here. And lastly, the data I am being received through the Bluetooth is also displayed here. This is a website for machine control or medical team. So they can monitor the individual status. So whole team's locations and their details or vital signs or environmental monitoring are shown here. And since only single one is connected, so only his data is being shown here. Also the live location. This is the personal. So if we select a single person, so his overall details are shown here, that what is their heart rate, SpO₂ levels, critical condition and other battery levels. And this is our alerts. So all alerts generated are being shown here. So how many are generated, how many are resolved, how many are they active. And lastly, after the post operation, the individual reports are being formed as a PDF and can be downloaded here.